Hey guys, Jason from TheChartGuys taking a look at silver. Bulls are really chomping at the bit today. I expected a little bit less of a bull push, but decent volume, decent movement. We're still inside the range of today's candlestick. A little bit stronger than I had anticipated. I'd like to see a little bit of a pullback and more sideways consolidation here to play out in the 4 and 1 hour time frame. Daily RSI still cooking at 74.43. Bulls ideally want to see that cool off to sub 70s before we have any attempt at more upside movement. The cooler your RSI is, the more likely more room you're going to have to run if you decide that you want to take the bulls and see if they can crack that 1660 level. And the high resistance here is 1657, so 1660 seems reasonable. All right, hourly time frame. What are we looking at? There's that big sell-off and slowly holding this hourly uptrend. Should we lose this hourly uptrend, the first key is going to be the loss of, and let's try and pick out a level here. It's kind of hard because we've got so many candlesticks in a row, but I think a loss is 1635. It looks like an area of double top support, or double bottom support rather, and should we lose that, we're going to go down and test the low of 1628. Either of those levels, more than likely the 1628 level, will be representative of an hourly trend change, in which case we will look to the 4 hour time frame and see if we can in fact get a higher low over 1604. This area right near here, I'm not convinced that this is going to be that higher low. I want to see some more pullback. And if I take a look at the 15-minute time frame, I do see a little bit of an ascending wedge here. An ascending wedge, something like this. Let me draw that a little bit better. Like this, a tightening range here that shows that overall volatility to begin with, and then that tightening range, that battle getting closer and closer and closer to eventually breaking, and then often these patterns will be bearish, in which case we'll knock out 1635, 1628, and then on the daily time frame we'll find support down here at the low of 1604. We'll see how that plays out.